Welcome to your introductory tour of a dynamic website content management solution built with Bluenog Ice. Web-based applications are an ideal means through which critical information is shared with customers, prospects, or internal users. But to be effective, these applications demand dynamic and relevant content presented in an intuitive interface, custom-tailored for different users. The result? A seemingly endless backlog of IT requests. That's why organizations rely on Bluenog Ice to deliver dynamic website content management solutions quickly and cost-effectively. Let's take a closer look at how one organization uses Bluenog Ice to empower non-technical users to create, change, and publish website content, expedite content review and approval, access content in existing backend systems, restrict content access to specific users, automatically remove dated content, and customize web pages based on user, group, or role. Meet AC Bank, a large retail bank with operations across the U.S. As a result of a recent merger, their IT organization had nearly doubled to over 300 people. The bank struggled to track hundreds of thousands of project status documents and other critical operational information across 25 different IT departments. Productivity suffered as IT staff was unable to find the information they needed to do their job. And if an IT employee left the bank, critical project knowledge often left with him, as there was no central place to capture this information. To address these challenges, the bank used Bluenog Ice to develop an IT hub. This intuitive portal application is the central point through which IT staff, managers, and executives across all 25 IT departments share critical information. It's also the company's trusted resource for answers to frequently asked IT support questions. Thanks to Bluenog Ice's integrated portal and content management features, each department has its own home page, but all have a consistent intuitive look and feel. Pages consist of configurable portlets such as news and events, policies, and recently published information. For example, the portal administrator can rearrange how portlets appear on the page. New portlets can also be easily added. Here, the portal administrator selects the newly developed portlet Status Report Viewer and adds it to IT Hub's home page. This new functionality is immediately available to authorized users without recompiling the portal application. Let's take a closer look at how the solution AC Bank built benefits IT staff, department managers, and executives. First, let's log in as IT staff member Adam. Bluenog Ice tightly integrates with the bank's existing enterprise security controls, so IT Hub is able to easily verify Adam's identity. The content and options that Adam sees are based on his user permissions and role. He's presented with a context-sensitive navigation menu and list of frequently asked questions specific to the department section he's navigating. Alternatively, he could use the search feature to find what he's looking for. Likewise, the intuitive Explorer-like controls in the policy section enable Adam to easily find the information he needs to do his job. Now let's experience IT Hub from the perspective of a department manager. As the Information Systems Manager, Mary is responsible for maintaining her department's About Us section, org chart, and other unique content. She also completes her department's monthly status reports. Mary is able to do all of these tasks quickly and easily using Bluenog Ice's content management system. All the documents Mary needs to access are stored in the Bluenog Ice CMS under the IS department folder. The CMS administrator has applied user roles to the entire navigation structure. This restricts Mary's access only to the content pertaining to her department. Mary is authorized to use Bluenog Ice's powerful portal development features to add an item to the IS department's navigation menu. She gives the menu item a title as well as a description that will appear as hover text for that menu item. She associates an action with the new menu item from a range of pre-integrated Bluenog CMS or BI capabilities. She can link to any document or asset in the CMS, such as the About Us page, an org chart, or spreadsheet. She could also link to reports created using Bluenog Ice's BI component or other third-party reporting tools. Lastly, she could link to an external website that could direct staff to relevant bookmarks such as reference books or vendor documentation. Mary chooses to link the menu item to show the Portlet Statistics Report, then saves her changes. Bluenog Ice's embedded workflow process ensures these changes won't appear on the production website until they've been approved for publication. In this case, Mary is authorized to approve these changes. The workflow process could be easily adapted to enforce a hierarchy of authors who create content and request publication, and editors who review, approve, and publish content. Mary approves her new menu item for immediate publication. She could also have specified the change be published and unpublished on specific dates. Back on the live portal application, a refresh of the page reveals the newly added menu item. Thanks to Bluenog Ice's seamless integration of content management, portal development, and business intelligence, Mary had total control and autonomy of her department's content, while still adhering to a consistent look and feel across the site. Bluenog Ice also enabled the bank to completely transform how they complete, store, and share tens of thousands of status reports. What were previously maintained as individual Word documents are now centrally stored and maintained in the CMS as a project status content type. This new template includes multiple sections: People, Projects, and Business as Usual, or BAU. Its intuitive interface and consistent content structure ensure every department's reports conform to the company's standard. As a result, senior executives at the bank can easily identify trends or potential project issues. Here you see how Mary's boss Joe is able to easily search, review, and analyze project status reports. Bluenog Ice's built-in search functionality indexes all content automatically as it enters the system. So instead of wading through a sea of inconsistently formatted Word documents, Joe can search by author to review Mary's weekly status reports. He sees that Mary has singled out one of her staff, Adam, for outstanding performance. Joe's curious to see whether other department managers have cited Adam in their reports as well. Joe changes his search criteria to find reports by any author that contain Adam's name. He can also customize how he wants to organize these reports. Here, he groups the results by author, then by date. The results set includes only those reports where Adam is mentioned. In addition to accessing the project status reports, the bank could easily integrate third-party project management systems such as PlanView or Primavera into its Bluenog Ice implementation without any recoding of the IT Hub solution. As you've just seen, with Bluenog Ice, dynamic website content management solutions have never been easier. From concept to prototype to production website, this entire solution was built in just a few months with limited resources. Previously unstructured content can now be intuitively shared, searched, and analyzed. The portal's look and feel is also easily tailored for different users, all significantly faster and at a lower cost than with separate CMS, portal development, and business intelligence. This is just one example of the wide range of solutions organizations have built using Bluenog Ice. Want to learn more about how Bluenog Ice could benefit your organization? Just contact us for more information or to request a live demonstration.